Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove GMC Yukon grill full guide. Start by disconnecting the battery and layout tools, panel pry tool, 10mm socket, ratchet, and masking tape. Protect paint with tape before loosening clips. Remove hood latch cover and fasteners in sequence. Keep fasteners labeled and photographed for reassembly. Work patiently to avoid broken clips. If clips are seized, apply penetrating oil and weight before prying to reduce damage. Loosen the top fasteners and remove radiator cover to access the grill bolts. Carefully disconnect any harnesses and fog lamp clips before pulling the grill straight out. Support the grill while removing lower bolts to prevent dropping the assembly. Inspect tabs for damage and replace broken clips with new push rivets. Clean mating surfaces and test fit the new grill before final torque to manufacturer specs. Reconnect battery and test lights. Quick recommendation: if you like these hands-on guides, please subscribe and like to support more vehicle content. On another note, the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading repair manuals and wiring diagrams while you wait for penetrating oil to work. Its glare-free screen and long battery life make it ideal for the garage. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use a panel clip tool or wide flat screwdriver to gently pry clips and tabs without cracking the grill. Apply penetrating oil to stubborn bolts and allow 10-minute soak time before attempting removal. For rusted bolts, use heat or an impact driver to free them, using eye protection and gloves. When a clip breaks, extract the post with pliers and replace it with an OEM-style retainer. Keep a spare clip kit nearby for quick fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.